Okay, we're waiting for Donna. We just bought a new 2018 Camry, and she was getting it all trimmed up and everything. She should be coming up the road here any minute. She's going to drive it home from Tustin, Toyota. And what's this coming down here? It looks like Donna with her new silver Camry 2018. Look at her. That's her in there driving. Look at that. And she brings it right in. Terrific job. Princess Donna. Look at that.
Oh, it's Queen Donna.
Queen, oh, that's right. And you have a new backup monitor.
Yes. Now I can see where I'm going.
See where you're backing up.
I actually can drive better in reverse than forward.
Right. You just have to look right.
Lines to go by and everything.
Right. Now they can teach you how to drive. Oh, look at this. See, it's got a license plate.
Oh,
You can read the license plate. You don't have to remember numbers,
yeah, it
letters.
Had one. Oh, look.
Just remember Tustin. That's where we live.
They cleaned it all up, detailed it. Look.
Ooh. Look at that. They really cleaned it up nice.
And they filled the gas tank.
Oh, they did?
Yeah. Is the car unlocked
Well, you
out
are
here?
a queen. Yes, it's unlocked.
Okay, I'm going to see what there is in the